Grayson County Public Schools were closed today following a minor earthquake this morning. The 2.6 magnitude quake hit just before 5:30 this morning. No damage or injuries have been reported. The county school superintendent says the district is assessing any possible damage, especially at Independence Elementary School, after a 2020 earthquake delayed the start of the school year. Professor of geophysics at Virginia Tech, Martin Chapman, says he was not surprised that this earthquake happened.
About 6 miles north of Sparta, North Carolina, where a magnitude 5.1 earthquake occurred back in 2020, back 2 years ago. So this is probably an aftershock of that bigger earthquake.
Now, the superintendent of Grayson County Public Schools says school will resume as normal tomorrow.